In this video, learn how to update default settings for phone numbers, time, and email, enable geomatching, and set up auto-reply for missed calls. Click on Settings in the navigation bar. Select Default Settings from the Settings menu. Choose a different phone number from the drop-down list. In the form, select the phone number for calls from the drop-down menu. Click the Update button in the form to save changes. Choose a different time zone from the drop-down menu in the form. In the form, click the Time field to adjust open and close hours. These fields help detect restricted time zones. If a call is made during those hours, a pop-up will alert the user. In the Settings form, click on the Open Hours field. In the Settings form, click on the Close Hours field. In the Settings form, click the Update button under the Time Settings section. A notification appears confirming that the time settings have been successfully updated. In the Settings section, click on the From Email drop-down under Email Settings. Select an email address from the drop-down list in the Email Settings. Click on the webhook URL field to copy it. Press the Update button under Email Settings. In the Email Header Logo section, click on the logo image. Click the Remove Logo button in the Email Header Logo section. Toggle the SMS switch to enable geomatching. Toggle the call switch to enable geomatching. Observe the confirmation message indicating geomatching for SMS was updated successfully. In the Settings form, toggle the switch to enable auto-reply to missed calls. In the Settings form, click the Update button for auto-reply to missed calls. A success message confirms that missed call reply settings have been updated successfully.